What's up, everybody? We're gonna do a quick walkthrough of a 6-unit multifamily building. It's pretty much gutted on the inside. I got this lead just through working with someone that manages like foreclosures or distressed property, we'll say. I kind of talk through it. I'm talking in the video, so I'll just chime in and let you guys know what I think. Please let me know what you think. But we're looking at this deal, seeing what we can do to maximize the property. See what we can see. Not too many people here. That's good. I don't want a lot of competition. I still don't think there's any competition though, based on what we're doing with based on what I'd be doing with the property. No parking. Sheesh. That's part of the problem. Yeah, it was really hard to park in there. I have a pretty big truck. There's like 6 parking spots and it's really tight. So that's something that has to be looked at.
Which is 2 floors above this.
Gotcha.
This is a 2-2, and it's the exact same layout. The next 2 floors up, and at the very top is a rooftop deck. You can take a look at it, just lock it up.
What's the story behind? I guess the state of it. It was just like they were.
Somebody used to own it. Investor owned it. He abandoned it.
Gotcha.
And so it started going to foreclosure. There were people still living here, and there was a big freeze 2 years ago, I think. And some pipes busted. Nobody in charge. Some people left out, and it was vacant for a minute. By the time the bank foreclosed on it, they had to come and tear out, all this on the bottom floor. But upstairs, I've been here before they did that. Upstairs is pretty good, but they still tore out a lot of stuff.
So the bottom is, you would say, the worst?
Yeah. So, but you see, it wasn't damaged enough to bother.
Yeah. They still got the studs and everything. Okay. Only got 6 pipes. Yeah, so a pipe burst here and caused the bottom to be flooded, but the top looks much better. Once again, it's 6 units. Oh, okay, cool. And you're gonna see me wipe often or wave my hands off. That's the spider webs and all the other stuff going on. So that's what's happening there. Nice. As you can see, these are kind of almost like luxury apartments. About a mile away from Georgia State. So good location. Okay, got the fireplaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Got you. Oh, these can be broken up. These units are huge. Yep, these units can be broken up. This could be a great property for a lot of different uses. The units are huge. They're over 1,000 square feet. The finishes are nicer than typical, affordable properties or what have you. But so we have to think through that. But it could be some type of pad split situation. Room for rent. Depending on what we could do with the parking lot. As you can see, that's Georgia State, Dad. You keep looking at it, Georgia State. But the units could be broken up potentially into smaller apartments. But the parking is going to be an issue because there's only 6 spaces. There's a rooftop deck. I thought that was pretty cool.
You could.
Seems like they have some type of garden or something.
Garden going. Mm-hmm. Georgia Tech, right? Georgia State, sorry. Georgia State right there. Capital right there. Looks pretty good, man. See how stable this is. Stable enough. I really like this building. I hate the parking.
Yeah, but for the price that they want, you'd have to increase density or do these as luxury apartments. There is a lot next door that you'll see shortly that could make this work in the sense of parking. The lot can take more density as far as the zoning goes, but you just have to figure out parking or get some type of special variance so that you don't have to have that type of parking. That's being encouraged now in cities to not have as much parking, so people don't drive as much for, like, you know, eco-friendly purposes. Yeah, so as you can see, this lot is really tight. It's set for 6 spaces. That's the lot right there. If you could, get that lot in some type of assemblage, then you could essentially create more parking, possibly even, rebuild this, go higher. Just got to figure out whose lot that is and buy it.
Extend that parking lot right there.
But it's separate. It's a separate owner that owns that lot.
Figure that shit out.
This is technically the front side of the building, and this is in Mechanicsville as well. If I haven't already said that, this is that other lot, and perfect space to expand.
Like you'd be able to remove that tree, maybe. If this extends past here, this is a lot, a separate lot. That's a different place. This is part of this, then you probably would have built on it. Okay, you go higher. Here's a question: if you can at least turn those into 12. Add parking here, possibly, or reduce. Get a variance to reduce parking 6 by 6 to make it permanent affordable housing, permanent supportive housing, and then get there from there. Yep.
Yeah, well, that's it. Let me know what you guys think. It's definitely a big project. I mean, there's no walls. The people vandalized it, took the electrical, plumbing, and not all of it, but enough of it to where you have to redo it. And yeah, you also have to deal with that water issue. Whatever else still remains from that, but we'll keep working this deal. Let you know how it goes. They do want a lot for it, in my opinion, for it to be in the condition that it's in. But yeah, time sometimes changes those types of things. So we'll see what happens, and let me know what you guys think about the property. Appreciate you guys checking me out.